A is for aster. Bis for begonia. C is for carnation. D is for daisy. E is for edelweiss. F is for freesia. G is for geranium. H is for hibiscus. I is for iris. J is for jasmine. K is for kalanchoe. L is for lily. M is for marigold. N is for narcissus. O is for orchid. P is for petunia. Q is for Queen Anne's lace. R is for rose. S is for sunflower. T is for tulip. U is for ilex, gorse. V is for violet. W is for water lily. X is for xeranthemum. Y is for yarrow. Z is for zinnia.